The Little Bear Cub and the Beehive. Once upon a time, in the depths of the forest, lived a sweet little bear cub. His name was Honey because he loved honey the most. Honey was a tiny but brave bear. One day, while wandering in the forest, he saw something shining under a big tree, a beehive. Honey excitedly ran to the hive and started licking the honey inside. However, the owners of the hive, a group of bees, immediately noticed and started chasing him. Honey, in order to escape from the bees guarding the hive, began to run. During the chase, Honey experienced many adventures. He crossed deep rivers, climbed high mountains, and passed through dark caves. But he never gave up because he was a bear, and bears never give up. Finally, exhausted, Honey stopped under a tree. The bees couldn't find him and were now far away. As Honey sat down to catch his breath, a bird landed beside him and said, "Hello, little bear. I want to help you. I have a plan to get the beehive back." Honey listened eagerly to the bird's plan and together they set to work. The bird distracted the bees' attention, and Honey managed to retrieve the hive. When Honey found the hive again, he savored the honey inside and thanked the bird gratefully. From then on, Honey learned to wander the forest more carefully, but he always remained a curious and brave little bear cub.